Variation of the pelvic bridging exercises. For this, again you need a pillow or a rolled over towel. You put this between your legs. Try to press it with full strength. Simultaneously, you squeeze in your core muscles, your buttock muscles, and try to raise up your hip. I'm very sure that you might find it a little bit difficult, but try to hold this position for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gently come down. You can hold this position for a count of 10 or 15 counts for 3 sets. So we do a supine toe tap. For this you need to be lying down on a mat with your legs and knees extended to 90 degrees, and you do a forward touching of the mat down gently and coming up. Again the other one, touching the mat and coming up, touching the mat and coming up. The whole while you are doing the exercise, you have to focus on your lower core muscles and keep it squeezed in. You can do the tapping for each leg for 5 to 10 counts for 3 sets. Side planks, a very good exercise to strengthen your transverse abdominis muscle and work on the side of your abdominals. So for this you take a side lying position, head you support with your hand, the upper leg, the leg which is lying up above, you bend it and bring forward, and then you try to raise your hip up. Hold this position for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gently you come down. Again, while doing this exercise, you have to focus more on your pelvic area so that it does not move too much front or does not go too much back. One more time we will do. Taking it up straight, your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gently down. This can be done for a hold of 5 to 10 seconds for 3 repetitions. Wall push-ups. So we have 2 variations for this wall push-ups. We first focus on the pectoralis muscles when we are doing this wall push-ups. So we take your hands straight to the wall, legs closer, tuck in your core nicely because that is the area where we are focusing the most. Tuck in your core nicely and we go towards the wall and you come back. One more time, we'll go front, focusing more on the front of the chest. Come back. One more time. Come back. So this is how you work on the front part of your chest to release the tension and also strengthen it. To work more on your hand part, we do a bending of the elbow. So we do front, back. Feel the pressure on your biceps muscles. That is the muscles which are here just above your shoulders. And back. Throughout you are doing the push-ups, you just have to focus on your spine, that you are not slouching it too much. For that you have to keep in your core tucked. So you have to perform the push-ups, wall push-ups for 15 to 20 counts for 3 sets. Cobras exercises. So we have 3 variations in this. According to your comfort, you can go ahead with the stretchings. You need to lie down flat on your stomach. The first variation is you just take your neck up and try to stretch till your chest. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you are good with this stretching, then you go down. Try to use your elbows and stretch it a little bit lower part from your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently coming down. You move to a higher variation where you use your hand and stretch all over your abdominal area. Also squeezing it in. Hold for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gently relax. This can be done for a hold of 10 or 20 seconds for 3 sets. Box plank exercises. So these kind of exercises help you to tone up your core muscles and also your strengthening of upper body. So we take a all 4 position. Hand will be shoulder width apart. Knee will be hip width apart. Putting a gentle pressure on your toes, you try to raise your knees up and hold for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gently putting down. Throughout the process, you have to keep your core tucked in Again, one more time we will do. Tuck in your core, raise up your hip. It becomes a little bit easier for you when you tuck in your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently putting it down and coming back to Vajrasana. This exercise can be done for a hold of 10 or 15 seconds for 3 repetitions.